Knead a bread. This is an adorable behavior, usually seen when the cat's having a good moment. There are great chances that you've already seen your cat make repetitive movements with their paws on surfaces like your pillow, sofa, other cats, or even you. This action is known as kneading, and some cat parents affectionately refer to it as knead a cookie or bread because the action is similar to a human kneading dough. This behavior is normal in cats. It's an inborn behavior that kittens carry into their adulthood. And there are multiple reasons they'll do it as adults. Today we will talk about 5. 1. Marking territory. By doing this to the ground, they're not only creating a soft nest, similarly to how we fluff pillows, but they're also checking for predators, prey or dangerous things hidden in the foliage. So, when your domestic cat does this to your lap, it may be an ingrained habit from their wild history. Two, making a nest. While kneading is tied to nursing, there may also be another instinct at play. They may knead at a surface before they get comfortable to go to sleep. Another theory for cats kneading is that it's a cat behavior that's been passed down from their wild ancestors. Wild cats will paw at piles of leaves or tall grass to create a nest for themselves and their young to relax and sleep in. Three, to feel comforted. This is an instinctual behavior, and some cats may even dribble when kneading, as if they're drooling over the expectation of milk. While grown cats don't need to nurse, the action of kneading is likely associated with comforting feelings. 4. Stretch moment. Just as humans need a good stretch from time to time, so do cats. When cats knead, they outstretch their arms. Five, to show they like you. The fact is, the more your cat likes you, the harder they may knead. Subscribe, share this video, and adopt a cat.